Tim Isaacs, I'm the principal of Central Hardin High School. We got 2 open houses going tonight. Basically one campus though. Here at Bruin Academy and over at the main campus is how we'll refer to things. Things are going well. We're excited for our freshmen. And I really think that while some people would say this is not an ideal situation, I think we can make some great things happen as a result of this. Have the freshmen by themselves some so they can kind of learn what it's like to be in high school and those expectations without the pressures of all those older kids constantly around them. Now, they'll still be plugged in on the main campus. Any sports, any clubs, any activities they want to be in, we're gonna make that happen. There may be a little bit of growing pains, and one of the things we are going to ask our freshman parents to do, and I'll be sending out one called boot depending on when this airs, is we're going to ask all freshman parents to drop off. If you're bringing your child, we want you to bring them on day 1 to the main campus so that we can have all our freshmen together and we can make sure they understand what the procedures are to move back and forth between the main campus and this one. And then after the first day, if you're a parent drop off, you're welcome to do it here at the Bruin Academy. These freshmen will be back on the main campus next year. There is a good shot that a new freshman cast may come over here next year, but it'll be 2 years. The bottom line is it pulls 2 years off the total renovation. If we would have tried to survive with everybody over there at our current population, the project would not have been projected to be done before 2028.
Yes, I'm Mr. Green. I teach business and marketing at Central Hardin and the Bruin Academy. I think that the freshmen are coming here relieves some anxiety of them having to see the new school and be separated from their upperclassmen that they're going to see later in their high school career. When they come here, they'll be able to check out their classrooms, find out where it's at. Just like I said, ease a lot of that anxiety. I think that parents are worried about the participation between Central and here, and luckily they've been provided every opportunity. With the teachers can travel back and forth and provide every opportunity, whether it's clubs, classes. They're getting the same experience that they would have at Central. So I think they'd be super excited about that. And then an easy integration when they hit sophomore year.
Yeah, thank you. Email is always the best way